Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be reviewing Amazon FIDGET toys. So I know this looks like a small bag, but there's actually a lot inside of it. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so first we have this waffle poppet. I don't actually have the listing for this, so I can't link it down below because it's currently unavailable. So here it is, and it's tie-dyed. Also, this is the bad side, and here's the good side. Let's do a little ASMR down here. So yep, now I'll show you this side. It's kind of hard to pop, and it makes no noise. Here's the other side. And so, yeah, that's the first thing I got. Okay. Here's the next thing. The next thing is this squish ball. It has a black mesh on the outside. I didn't actually get this from Amazon, but I wanted to add it in. Okay, so it has a black mesh. Well, not mesh, like this plastic, and then it's gold inside. My brother really likes this one, but Manila, you can play with this one. Here, it's mine. Yeah, it's my brother's, and I'll show you some.
And the waffle poppet was mine too.
Yeah, and this is his. So those were my brother's that he bought. I bought. So there's two packages. Those two came in one, and here's the next package. So next up is a poppet. This is my poppet that I got today from Amazon. I might link it down below. It was only like $4 or $5. It's a very good deal. I'll do some ASMR. Okay. This is the bad side, but it makes good noises. Sorry about the background noise. Okay, so yep, that's that. And next up from the bag is this. It's a triple dimple. I'm excited for this one. It's my first triple dimple, and I'll show you. Listen, guys. So it's like a little keychain, which I really like. It is purple, blue, and yellow. Okay, yep, so This is very cool. I'll link that down in the description. And so the next one up is my dream fidget that I've been wanting for a really long time. Actually, no, I'll save that for the end. The next one up is this Rubik's Cube. I'm not a big fan of Rubik's Cubes, but I mean, it's kind of cool. Oh, I forgot to rate all these. Let me rate them for you guys. I rate this a 3 out of 10. I rate this a 7.5 out of 10. I rate this a 6 out of 10. I rate this a 8.5 out of 10. I rate this a 8 out of 10. Just listen to this, guys. So it's not like the ones that you usually buy at stores, like. Can you stop? Okay, sorry guys. Yeah. So like it comes in this mesh instead of like the normal like cloth mesh. It was a good deal. It was only $3. And this is my brother's. We both really like it. What would you rate this, Manila?
What did you rate it?
An 8 out of 10.
I rated a 9 out of 10.
My brother rates it a 9 out of 10. So this next one, I am so excited for, guys. Like, I cannot tell you how excited I am for this. My mom bought it for me as a gift, and I'm not sure if I can open this, but look, no, stop. Okay. It's a dimple. Yes, I'm so excited, guys. Like, I've been wanting one of these forever. So it comes in this little packaging with water. It's a crab dimple. I think I might be. No, I know how to open it. Okay, guys. And so here it is. I'm pulling it out. Let's open this. Sorry, that was really loud. There it comes. And I'm very excited. Let's see, here's the background. There's like a crab in the back. And yeah, so here it is. Guys, look. Oh my gosh. I want my brother to rate this, okay, guys? I want to see what he thinks. Do all of the pops.
10 out of 10.
My brother rates this a 10 out of 10. I agree with him. Like, I love the middle one. It's so big. It feels good to pop. It's good on both sides. Okay, we're going to do some ASMR. Yes, let's get started. I need to close my door. There's a lot of noises. Okay, guys, look at this. Okay, I'm going to put it all on one side. I don't know if you can pop it. Oh, sorry. I don't know if you can pop it from down here. You probably can't pop it laying down. Let me see. Rearrange this. Sorry, guys. Yep, so my brother loves that squishmallow. I'm going to set this up from up here, and here it is. That's kind of a far away view. Let me pull it down. Sorry, guys. Okay. No, look. Turn. See? You can't even, yeah, that doesn't work. You can't pop it from on the ground. Look, guys, okay. I just want to show you guys this because it's so cool. ASMR time, everyone be quiet. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification. Bye!